Pachamama, coming home to the place where I belong. Pachamama.